Alright, welcome back. We won't allow another attack in IGANGAN. Chief Imam Yoruba of Ilorin vows during visit to IGANGAN. Alright, the news in details. Chief Imam Yoruba of Ilorin, Sheikh Abdulrahim Adunigba, has called on the executive governor of Oyo State, Makinde, to build a new and spacious palace for IGANGAN's monarch. He also called on him to equip Amotekun and OPC security outfit to avoid another S-men attacks on the residents. Alright, and then onto this one, he stated this while he paid a condolence visit to the people of IGANGAN days after suspected S-men killed scores of innocent lives and destroyed properties worth millions of naira, including the palace. The cleric, who has been lending his voices for the support of Oduduwa Republic, insisted that Ilorin is not owned by Fulani people as being widely speculated. He therefore insisted that he will always speak for his race till it gets separated from Nigeria. The chief imam then assured the residents of his readiness to keep mounting pressure on Governor Makinde on the need to strengthen security outlook of IGANGAN by building more police stations. He therefore prayed to God for protection. Alright, and then that has been it. Well, onto this, it has been said that by the chief imam of Yoruba. Alright, and then onto this, the chief imam has said that Yoruba of Ilorin vows during his visit to IGANGAN, and they have said that we won't allow another attack in IGANGAN. Alright, and then onto this one, he had been able to say that he will continue to sound it to the governor of Oyo State that you must make security to be tight in that region. Is very, very important. Alright, and then meanwhile, according to what has been gathered, it has been said that okay, God bless you through true imam, that is what you are, and somebody is actually praying for the imam onto this one, that God will continue to bless him for telling the truth, unlike some foolish Iwo nonsense. Okay, that has been said by guests onto this one. And it also said that Islam is known for peace. Those who perpetrated evils were doing it for their material gains. No kidnapping and then terrorism in Islam. Good of you, imam. And that is it. Well, the thing is, anything you are doing in this life, you must always endeavor to do good, do well, because you don't know who is watching. It's very important. Some people will be like, no, the norms of the Muslim had been that you must fight for God by beheading people and all that. And then according to what has been gathered here now, majority of people have said it that, well, this is a true Muslim. God bless you. You are a true imam, unlike some foolish Iwo nonsense. I know some people will know exactly who that is being referred to. Alright, and then meanwhile, according to Adekola Oye, he said, well, we need more people like this, and then that is it. Alright, and then it is also said that where were the imam when Sunday Igboho took law into his hands and then chased away Sergeant Fulani of IGANGAN and then burnt his house and assets, being a Muslim who, according to Islam, is a brother to the imam and deserve to get sympathy and love from fellow Muslims. But the imam was busy to show love on disbelievers, which is not the act of a Muslim. Well, this one has also been said by an anonymous person. Well, and then on to Abashola. I said that, well, this man needs little sense. Okay, all right, okay, and then anonymously is also saying here that, well, hey, I begin to suspect something. One imam said Muslim will suffer if they should support Yoruba agitation, but this one, okay, all right, and then meanwhile, according to Abdulrahim Alao Jimo, he has said that, well, we have only one chief imam in Ilorin. He doesn't bear that name. The name is fictitious. Well, that's another one. Well, meanwhile, it is also said that Imam Fulani want to create religion crisis in Yoruba land, just as they did in the north, and create confusion among Yorubas. Well, some confused people already dancing to their tunes, but with the likes of you and a few others, there is hope. I am sure you understand their divide and conquer tactics very well. God bless you, sir. All right. Okay, well, the fact remains that as far as no this country is concerned right now, there are some set of people who actually belong to the evil part. Yes, no, some people just want everything to go wrong, and then that is their own no agenda for things to get no on the other side, as in opposite, like on the other side, somersault, as in get rid of everything that will make good things to come. That is their own plan. But no, and they will still have some set of people who are genuinely no ready to work for God, who are genuinely working for God, and they are good Muslims right now, according to what has been gathered. That this set of people are the best, and then they need to be listened to. Well, the thing has been that no matter what you try to achieve, there are some set of people that will definitely come out to destroy and make things go bad, and that is what we have been facing so far in this country. Well, and then meanwhile, majority of things had actually been said. Well, it's only God that will help us in this country. Well, according to the imam, he has said that he will continue to follow the governor of Oyo State up, so that no security will be in that state, in that region, in that village. In fact, one thing I've seen so far is that there are some set of people, because a lot of people have actually commented onto this. Some people were like, we don't know this imam, why would he be talking like that? Where was he when Sunday Igboho was destroying Seriki Fulani's habitation? But the problem have not been that most of all these people that are saying all these things, they have not actually tried to understand why Sunday Igboho went to say, okay, the Seriki Fulani should leave Igangan. They are not thinking in that direction. Those kind of people are suspects, and they need to be followed up. And then that is why it is good for everyone to be very prayerful. There are some kind of prayer you will utter against all these kind of people, that forever and ever they will regret supporting evil. Because I see no reason why somebody will be coming out to say, okay, or someone will come out to say, now we want good thing to happen to our people, we want justice, yet you are going against such a person. Then what side are you? Who are you? What are you? And that is the question. All right, my people, and then that has been it on this one. Meanwhile, let me have more take from you on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates. Thanks and God bless.